In this video, we are going to see how to fix BCO task fail005 unable to invoke request error in TSCO. If the TSCO system was switched from HTTP to HTTPS, and if you see this kind of error in your scheduler snippet log, then we have to identify whether the changes has been implemented or not on the TSCO console. We'll log into TSCO console and we'll click on Administration System Global Configuration, Edit, manually edit from this page. Here we will search for Data Hub. So as you can see, we have the Data Hub details. So if in case it's HTTP, we have to make it as HTTPS as it's already mentioned here. You can do that same in your environment for all the Data Hub parameter which is listed here. It's up to this point. Once this is done, we'll scroll to the bottom of the page and we'll save it. Once this page is saved, we'll log into the application server where we have the Data Hub and we'll stop and start the snippet services. We'll log into the TSCO application server as a snippet user and we'll go inside of TSCO home directory, which will be from here. We will do snippet stop. Snippet services is stopped, so we'll start the snippet services now. Once snippet restart is done, we'll log into TSCO console. From here, we'll go to administration, ETL and system task. Here, we'll search the ID 50. We'll click on it and we'll run this to validate if everything is working fine. We'll click on show log and it says okay. Thank you for watching and have a great day.